My name is G. Tejaswini. I am from 4th year ECE. In this PPT, I am going to explain about A to D conversion errors in digital signal processors and architecture. Errors in DSP implementation. The different source of errors in DSP implementation are analog to digital conversion errors, DSP computational errors, digital to analog conversion errors. An analog to digital converter has several source of errors, quantization error, and assuming the ADC is intended to be linear, non-linearity or intrinsic to any analog to digital conversion. These errors are measured in unit called the least significant bit, LSB. Analog to digital conversion errors. The error that occurred during analog to digital conversion in DSP implementation are known as A to D conversion errors. In A to D conversion error, an ideal output from a sample and hold circuit is applied as input to A to D converter. The A to D conversion errors are two types. They are truncation error and rounding error. Quantization error. Quantization error is introduced by the quantization inherent in an ideal ADC. It is a rounding error between the analog input voltage to the ADC and output digitized value. The error is nonlinear and signal dependent. In an ideal ADC, where the quantization error is uniformly distributed between -1/2 LSB and +1/2 LSB, and the signal has a uniform distribution covering all quantization levels. Q is the number of quantization bits. For example, a 16-bit ADC, the quantization error is 96.3 dB below the maximum value. Quantization error is distributed from DC to the next frequency. Consequently, if part of the ADC's bandwidth is not used, as is the case with oversampling, some of the quantization error will occur out of band, effectively improving the SQNR for the bandwidth in use. In an oversampled system, noise shaping can be used to further increase SQNR by forcing more quantization error out of band. Ideal ADC. Input is quantized into uniform steps. Transition at ±50% of delta. The figure shows that the input is quantized into uniform steps. Offset error. Offset error is defined as a constant difference over a wide range of ADC, difference between the actual output value and ideal output value. It is expressed as number of bits, LSB bits. Total system offset error includes offset error from preamplifiers or signal transducers. Offset error can be removed to be measuring a reference point and subtracting that value from future samples. The figure shows that offset error. The next one is gain error. Gain error defined as the difference of slope of actual output values and ideal output values. It is expressed as a percentage. Total system gain error includes any gain errors from preamplifiers, attenuators or signal transducers. Gain error can be measured a second reference point to determine the actual gain. The figure shows the gain error in ADC connect. Differential nonlinearity. For an ideal ADC, the output is divided into 2n uniform steps, each with a width of delta. Any deviation from the ideal step width is the differential nonlinearity, expressed as counts. DNL is a function of each ADC's particular architecture. It is not possible to remove its effect with calibration. The This is about A to D conversion error. I hope you understood. Thank you.